Hello and welcome back to my channel. Satish Gear here from Dallas, Texas. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can write an email copy that's going to convert every single time. But you have to do three things. You have to promise me three things, okay? Three things, okay? At the end of this video, because I'm going to show you all this right now in the video, right? At the end of this video, if you enjoy this content, you have to do three things, okay? Number one is subscribe. That little red button somewhere, click it. That's going to help me, make more videos. Number two is like it, okay? Number three is comment something, ask me a question, tell me about your strategy, tell me about something that you don't like what I said. Anything, comment something on the bottom of this video at the end of the video so I know that you're watching and you're enjoying this content. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and begin. Now, email conversion has two parts, okay? Email conversion has two parts. The first part is getting people to open up that email, and the second part is getting people to take an action on your email. Now, the first part, not gonna cover it on this video usually because that's a different video type. Usually, to get people to open up the email, you have to focus on the headline, the subject line, and you have to make sure that you're using a good SMTP service and things like that. That's a different video. The topic for this video is how do you get people to, convert? So conversion means different things for different people. For example, you want people to click on that link. You want people to call you. You want people to buy something. You want people to, opt in or anything. Whatever your conversion metric is, that's your conversion, okay? Let's go ahead and learn. Okay, now, what I'd like to do is use this method called AIDA. AIDA. Say it out. Try it right now. Say it. AIDA. So AIDA is a method that you can use to write a converting email every single time. Super easy. It works every single time. Let me show you how. Let's get on my computer right now. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can write an email using this formula called the AIDA. I'm on my computer right now. So AIDA. The first one is attention. Second is interest, desire, and action. So whenever you're writing an email, right, make sure to have these components on your email, and trust me, it's going to convert so well. The first thing is attention. So you have to get people's attention. So what you want to do is, what's the big hype about your product or service? Okay, what can they expect? Can they expect to get a lot of girlfriends? Can they expect to lose weight? Can they expect to have a brighter smile? Can they expect to grow their hair back? Can they expect to do something crazy that your product does? That is the attention that you want to put at the beginning of your email. Now, the second thing is interest, okay? Interest, like the word says, interest, you have to tell people something interesting, okay? Our product has been used by thousands of people. Our product has been used by the superstar. Our product, the blah, blah, something crazy, something interesting that people will, wow, such an amazing thing. And third thing is desire. Hey, you can do it too in 3 easy steps. You have to make people want something, okay? So third thing is desire. And last but not least is action, okay? You have to tell people what to do. You can't say, I'm gonna expect people to open up my, click that link or go to that video, do something, okay? You have to tell people what you want them to do. And that could be clicking that link. Click this link to learn more. Click on this link to watch that video. Click here to call something, a call to action. Let me show you how, okay? Let's get on my software, mycopywriter.ai. This software is going to help you write copy like this. The idea behind this software is the fact that, all you do is put in some information. For example, I'm going to go to AIDA right here. You put in some information. It gives you a customized, unique copy created by AI. Magic. Let me show you how. So the first thing it says is, what does your product or service do? I will just go ahead and put in, losing weight, okay? My company's name is, Lose Weight XYZ. I don't know, okay? It's random here. This is not targeted to, just an example, okay? Well, actually, let me use a different example because you never know. People on YouTube, they're going to go crazy on me. Like, oh, you don't like fat people. That's nothing. It's just an example. Let's go and use something else, okay? I'm going to use, we help copywriters write better copy, and the company name is called Swipe Folder. Let's go and click on create. Now, this thing is now going to go ahead and give you that AIDA. So remember these things, right? These things you normally you'll have to come up with. Usually it takes me about 20 minutes to 30 minutes usually if I'm trying to get something great. But with this software, I can get it in like a couple of seconds. Now, the idea is this, okay? So for example, right here. So attention. Are you a small business owner that wants more customers? Yeah, I want more customers. We make it easy, blah, blah, blah. Oh, interesting. Desire. You'll be able to rank higher on Google, blah, blah, blah. Action, click this now. You see what I mean, right? Click this now, free for 14 days. You get the idea, right? That's the whole, let's go ahead and try it out. So first part, okay, let's go ahead and copy this, okay? So let's say writing an email out. We're not going to worry about the subject line. So first thing you might want to write down is, are you? So first of all is, of course, hi, name here, whatever the name is. And they're going to write, are you a small business or more customers? Okay. Obviously the answer is yes, right? And then next up is we make it. So you'll have to customize it a bit. For example, swipe, folder, mix. You have to of course, you have to optimize these things, right? So things like this, okay? And then the third part is you'll be able to, even if you don't make a lot of modification, it gives you'll get an idea, right? So click here, blah, blah, blah. And your link would go right here like this. Now, you can use this software to create your copy, or you could do it on your own. You get the idea, right? So whenever you're writing an email, what I like to do is have the AIDA formula in front of me, right? And then I start writing each part. What you might want to do is do it like this, okay? You got the software that you can use, or right here, okay? And then just start writing. Just write these 4 parts, right? And then they don't have to be in full sentences like the software gives it to you. What you can do is, for example, attention, right? Attention could have been getting more leads, okay? Interest is Chuck Norris uses it on his website. This method, okay? This method. Okay? And desire is anyone can do it in 3 easy steps. Action, click this link to watch a demo. Now, notice something, right? So I didn't write a full sentence on this one, right? I just wrote some bullet points out, and then what I can do is use these to write that email out, okay? And that's how you can write an email that converts every single time. Now, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this content, hopefully you did. If not, you can put on the comments why didn't you like it. If you have a better method than this, go ahead and put it on the comments, because we want to learn as well. I want to learn as well. So let's go ahead and thank you so much. Let's go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like and comment. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.